Virgo 2020 horoscope. A look at the year ahead. 2020 will, more or less, be a lot like 2019. This doesn't mean that you can't improve. Virgo horoscope 2020 suggests that you should use every year to try to improve your personal life, even if your social and work life may seem stagnant. People who are born between August 22 and September 23 are Virgos. The sixth sign of the Western zodiac has all of the stereotypical traits of a good mother. Virgos tend to be modest, practical, and analytical. Of course, they can also worry a lot, be a little over-opinionated, and can be a bit of a perfectionist at times. All of these traits blend to make the intelligent and conservative Virgo that we are all used to. These traits help to shape the Virgo person's horoscope for 2020. Virgo 2020 love predictions. If you liked your loved life last year, then you're in luck, foretells the Virgo 2020 astrology. If things are going well for you, then there's no need to change what you are doing. You found something that works for you, so you should do your best to keep it up. If you didn't like your love life last year, then this year you need to change some things. Maybe you didn't communicate well with your partner, or perhaps you're just with the wrong person. You may relate to a different element from what your sun sign, zodiac sign element is. Take this in-depth 4 elements personality quiz to understand it. Will 2020 be good for the Virgo? Make whatever changes that you need to make yourself happy. Many opportunities will come your way to make a change in your relationship if you need to. Opportunities will also come if you are looking to improve your relationships with your friends and family members. Always think before you speak, no matter who you talk to, and it will save a lot of would-be problems. Will Virgo get pregnant in 2020? Only time will tell. Virgo career prospects for 2020. Virgo, the changes that you made last year at work will impact your year this year as well. Your life will more or less work in the same way as last year, but with a few minor changes. You are likely to see things more clearly and be able to focus better in general. Your natural skills are likely to shine this year. Use them whenever you can, and it will get you noticed at work. Virgo finance 2020 forecasts. The 2020 zodiac also suggests that you will also improve at keeping track of your budget this year. You will have enough money to pay for all of your expenses, as well as have some extra money to save for the future. Health horoscope for the Virgin Virgo. You will have a lot of energy this year, which you are likely to use to get important things done at work and within your home. It is essential that you often exercise this year to keep yourself in shape. Generally, taking good care of yourself will also help to prevent many illnesses and injuries. However, try not to stretch your limits too far, or else they may break. Read more about Virgo fitness tips. 2020 forecasts for Virgo birthdays. Cause and effect will be highly significant in your life this year. In 2020 for the Virgins, you will feel more impulsive this year, but try not to act on it. You are more likely to share your emotions and inner feelings this year. This year will come with both good and bad consequences of your actions, as well as good and bad things that are out of your control during the 2020 Mercury retrograde.